Hi, I am a star. Starfish.
Figlio.
Ice cream. Cold drink. Fruits. Juice.
Coconut water.
The ugly duckling.
The story begins with a mother duck hatching eggs on a beautiful sunny day. The eggs break open and little ducklings step out into the wide world. One of the little ducklings looks very different, and literally ugly. It is gray in color and is bigger and stronger than the others. The ugly duckling is teased by everyone because of its appearance. The shattered ugly duckling wanders here and there. Wherever he goes, he is humiliated for his appearance. He is teased by a cat, a hen, and fellow birds. The winter is quite miserable and there is no proper shelter for the ugly duckling. The spring arrives, an ugly duckling sees a group of swans. He decides to join them. The swans were swimming in a lake. The ugly duckling wishes to join them but hesitates, thinking they too would make fun of him. Instead, the swans called the ugly duck without judging him on his looks to swim with them. The ugly duckling does not feel ugly anymore. He joins the group of swans, flies over beautiful lakes, forests, and mountains, and lives happily.
Teacher. Teacher.
Baker. Baker.
Cobbler. Cobbler. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doctor. Postman. Police.
Carpenter.
Cotton sticking on rabbit. Take some cotton and stick it all over the body of the rabbit with help of a glue to make a white color rabbit. Sun.
Sea.
Sofa. Sunflower. Tailor.
Fireman. Farmer. Barber.
Engine.